We're at FL Truck Service today. That's their sign. And that's what they look like coming in. Got to go past the elevator repair shop. And there it is, the Autobox truck being worked on. And all these other car haulers. Let's take a closer look, see what's going on. Look, they got a bed. It's been trampled on. Must be those coons. A тут что происходит? This thing's still unpainted. The other trailer we filmed last time, it's starting to look like a trailer. Look, nice and black. I think you could get a few more years out of this one. I mean, this thing was like, actually I didn't see it until it was primered up, so. But I can imagine most of it looked a lot like that. So, I mean, it's been here a long time. And it looks like it needs a few more things. And it should be roadworthy. This guy, he still got a load on his truck. Must be doing something quick, like brakes, tires, or maybe weld a bracket or something. Our trailer's here. We're gonna get the air leak fixed. So yeah. Look at all these scrap pieces of decking. I think they may have what you know, common stuff you may need. So yeah, let's take a look at their fuel tanks. All this stuff's for sale. It's a mini fifth wheel that hinges with airbags. Airbag suspension. You got, what is that, like a 75 gallon tank? Is it 90 gallons? 90 gallon square tank with, looks like an air vent. Or maybe that's where it'll actually, that's top, that's down. It's not air vent. What am I thinking? So you flip your valve and fuel goes in your main tank. It's 55 gallon. That'll get you across 2 more states. Oh, this is a big one. How many gallons is that? Anyway, steel and aluminum. You see any tanks you like? You can come down here and get it. This is a nice skinny one too. How many gallons on that one? It doesn't say, but it looks to be, and look at that. You just also, you could probably get a cable to this. Just have like a little line you pull, or leave it like that and have an excuse to pull over and stretch your legs while you're on the road, and while you're going to the bathroom at the rest area, boom, boom, your tank gets refilled and you keep going. So I have all that, a bunch of scraps if you want to weld something on. Yeah. Conrad doing something over here. Rebecca Bistrea. Look. They don't even... They got the United States flag here. So, let's see what else they got over here. Maybe another mini fifth wheel. What is that off of? Cummins head. Some ramps, a fuel tank. Or is this hydraulic? I mean, 45 gallons, skinny tank. It's got a bigger valve. You can, oh shoot, it's got diesel in there. Whoops. It really flows too. Fill up your tank in a matter of minutes. Just a few minutes. Huh. So yeah. I'm not sure if I was supposed to do that or not, but what's done is done. Looks like it's gonna be a good busy day here. Auto box trailer getting work done. Ну чё, как там go back to Russia? Инструменты организуешь?
Ну да.
Да, займешь отвертку?
Что?
Я ребятам на YouTube скажу,
Да не
они
надо.
могут у тебя занимать инструменты, если надо. Вот. Или как им сказать, не подходи, не трогай это, а то по башке получишь. Ну, можем сейчас объявить на видео, чтобы не трогали. Никто не будет трогать, я всем скажу.
Да.
Да? Another United States flag. А что запылилась Marilyn Monroe? She's still here. It's been like a year. So yeah, these Freedom 1-car or 2-car trailers. This is a newer trailer, it looks like. They got some grease. Maintaining it. Doing full service. А почему тут ось сняла? Не надо? No axle. Yes, they replaced a couple panels. What year is this one? We don't even know. But this might be a 2-3-year-old trailer, and looks like they are putting it back on the road. Missed the panel. Had a section off a panel there, and looks like a hole went through there. I guess this'll do for your 2-car hard side. Mental note for those that buy these or looking at trailers like this. Look, why would the holes be? Why would this be moved up or down or replaced? This whole thing was replaced, and you can see the door gets tight at the top and tight at the bottom. But you can stick your fingers in at the middle. Wow. It's not really engineered to put those Range Rovers, electric SUVs and stuff in. But that's how you can tell this trailer, if you're buying a used one of these, that's how you can tell it's seen plenty of weight. And every time we said weight to our old history teacher, he said weight broke the truck down. In this case, it's a trailer. So just know that while your trailer's going down the road, you know, this shows that while you're going down the road, it's doing this all the time. or when you're making those turns, going over bumps, curbs, loading, unloading, it's doing this. Pushing out screws. So then you need to put them back in, and if they hollow out, gotta put giant washers, but they're still gonna come out. This isn't lifelong rivets. So, I mean, there's OEM screws, and there's a new one, Home Depot. Nope, this one held or rusted in place and is holding. You can see this door is sealed up, right? Because it never bears any weight. That's how the back door is supposed to be, but it's not. So, not saying it's bad, but what I've seen on some, just once in my whole car hauling experience, I've seen someone had C-channels like this, kind of where there's probably a structural beam, just 2.5 inches thick in there. So they had it on the outside, like a nice 3-incher C-channel, bolted in, and so it gives it that extra rib of strength that it needs in the spot where it'll bear the most weight when the tires are rolling over it, when the door's open, so it will not bend like that. So that's what I would do if I bought a new trailer like this and wanted to put some use in it. Over here, we probably had a tire blowout, knock out this fender. So yeah, stuff like that. I'm up on the roof of the truck right now. We can see how many branches this thing has taken. It's taken a beating. And same with the trailer. And look how destroyed. I destroyed it.
Еще одну. Тут скользило.
Yeah, this really sucks. Look, it's like the size of my head. I mean, you'd think it's like a small area, but I mean, how much is it from here to here? Yeah, and there's the roof. And look, it feels like the cab of the truck sits lower than this. You know, here we are level. Yeah, like it could be a branch that passes the exhaust and then just hits, bam, right into here, bending this. You know, delivering that car to the Moda show. The police asked me to back out and turn. What was I gonna say? No, I'm not gonna do that. Well, I didn't even know it was gonna end up in a 100-year-old tree branch that skids along, creates some damage. So I noticed on some of the other car haulers there that were there, their bubbles go up here and out here. So the sharp corner, or the strong corner, curved corner of the fiberglass swishes away any branch, and that's pretty much what is needed here. Yeah, not a good thing, but first this needs to be repaired, patched up, and you know, we're not supposed to be able to look in the trailer. So Vitaly's magician skills will be needed here. Hopefully we can make it happen and get AB23 looking good. Well, there goes one truck leaving. all fixed up and on his way to deliver his load. Now we got empty space right next to Clifford the big red dog. So yeah. So here I am on the inside of the trailer in that top corner that got hit. You can see this plywood got hit so hard that it cracked. So let's remove it and see what's under that. Okay. That's what we got under there. So it looks okay, but I want to bolt something onto it. So now I'm up here. That's what it looks like. Wow. He's doing a good job with it. It's gonna be fairly decent. Well, looks like I'm in good hands. Time to go home for the day. Tomorrow I got a sweet car to haul, so hopefully they'll have it done.
Due to high demand, Serge the car hauler is expanding his business. If you're interested in joining an exciting company as a driver, owner, operator and such, visit his page at searchthecarhauler.com and send him a message.